If your burgers look like sad sandwiches, you're missing out. Let's fix that with some Swiss mushroom magic. Alright, first things first, grab your ingredients. Buns, ground beef, Swiss cheese, butter, mushrooms, onions, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Start by heating up a skillet on medium and melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Toss in those sliced mushrooms and cook them for about 5 minutes. Now, add the sliced onion, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce to the mix. Cook till caramelized and then set it aside. Next, heat another pan or grill on medium. Melt the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter and toast your buns for 2 minutes. Set those buns aside. Form 4 beef patties and season with salt and pepper. Cook them for 8 minutes on each side. When they're done, slap a slice of Swiss cheese on top and let it melt. Time to assemble. Place your cheesy patties on the buns. Pile on those yummy mushrooms and onions. Dress it up how you like and enjoy. There you have it, the best Swiss mushroom burgers, right from your kitchen. Happy cooking, y'all! Brokenwood Mystic Farms.